I'm gonna be drawing stuff, so oops. So let's get to this. So I'm gonna try to draw an airplane. So let's let's try this. So sizes, I'm gonna do this, and let's try to draw an airplane. So let's get this nice straight body and keep a middle spot. Okay, this is just way too skinny. Okay, so no, I want this. Let's put this down, and then I'm gonna do this like that, and then let's grab a straight one. Just pull this all the way up to here, and then let's make this bigger. Is this even how you do it? Is this how you make an airplane? Let's do this, then no. And then let's make another one. No, connecting from here down, there. And now I suck at drawing airplanes. So, another wing. Oh my gosh. This is the worst airplane anybody has ever seen. Okay, so now let's make this the back part of this. Come on. Why do I suck so much at this? So it's this. And then let's get the straight line back. And like that. I can't believe how bad I'm doing. I thought that this was going to be easy. I guess I'm completely wrong. So there we go. And then shallow circle. Well, more than one. What even happened here? No, not you. That looks so weird. That's an Illuminati circle. So let's just fill little bitty dots in. So this is the airplane. Come on. Let's draw this. Come on. There we go. You know what? This is just a little plain picture. I need to do other things. Like, where's other things? Is there any more? Oh, lightning. What can I do with this? Can I? Ooh. I want to get rid of you now. So let's brush this away. And let's make the back of this end destroyed. Like it got hit by lightning. So now let's do this. And how do we write something? So how about oh gosh, my 5x5 fell off. Come on, get back on there, 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So crackle. No, I need to put this in capital. No, crackle. What am I even trying to spell? Crackle. There. And then let's put an exclamation. So, there we go. No, that's a 1. I meant to put exclamation mark. So, now, how do I get back to colors? I want you. I don't want this anymore. Yes. Brushes. Now let's scoot this up a little bit. Now let's ruin this. Okay, now I need fire. So red. So, oh my god. What is this? I need to redo all of this. I can't believe this ugly plane. Okay, I think it's time to redo this. So, come on! I want to change color, grab this, and then do the airplane. Now let's make this like so it got cracked. No, I don't want another one of these. I just want brush. Crack. And then I want lightning to strike. Thank you. I'm gonna move. I don't want that. Can I erase words? Yes, I can erase words. Dang it, why did I even attempt that? I'm gonna have to rewrite that all. So, crackle. Why do I always put an S there? Crackle. And then, there we go. So we're done with that. And let's fill this in. So, paint bucket, fill it. No, I want to... I have to fill this in with black. Black. And... Okay, this is just annoying. This is a black airplane and a black lightning bolt. I don't want any of that. Come on! And I ruined the word again. I don't even need the word crackle. So let's do this. Boom. Then now for the fire. No, let's just get a color. So, red. I need red. Red. No, is this red? Yeah, this is the red. So, add to custom colors. Okay. And brushes. You know what? I need a spray paint. What does this do? Oh gosh. This looks weird. Okay, I am the worst drawer in the whole world. This is the weirdest. I can't believe. This is hilarious. Come on. It actually looks like a little fire. This is a good spray paint can. This is black. I never even noticed this black color. That's not even filled in. Or you. I need to fill in this. Nope, 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 nope. So brushes. Just get a regular brush and blue. And then just mark off a window. No, let's just erase this. Boink, 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 boink. Okay, finally, now, let's get black again. I want black. Give me black. I want black. Thank you. So black. Now I'll do this. And this. I can finally make my airplane window. This is the weirdest airplane ever. Now, do I have clouds? I guess I'll have to draw them myself. So clouds, gray, and then let's start doing this. So clouds. Come on, cloud. You're my friend. Well, no, you're not. I don't even want to draw a tornado. Is there any tornado things? No. I want to make this dark. So let's put some stars. Okay, this just looks ugly, and I wish I never did that. So, I have the eraser. Why is the eraser on? Okay, great. So, I'll meet you when I erase this. I think this is better. Looks more like the background is really, really cloudy. Oh. It's funny how, like, lightning could just, like, come in them, like, at miles, like, 1,000,000 miles per hour. Just coming non-stop. But I don't have any tornadoes. What is this? Zoom in, zoom out. Okay. Know what I need to do? I need to... No, I want to put some more. Oops. No, 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 no. I want that to be black. Yes, thank you. I don't know what just happened. Help, my airplane has been ruined. Something has sabotaged my airplane. So let's erase that. And then let's fill this back in. Fill. And then, so let's grab this again. And no, I want the brush. Like that. There's my wing. Put back together. I don't need to put back together. Now another lightning bolt coming out of that lightning bolt. Because you know how that happens. Like double lightning bolt. So a lightning bolt hits right, yeah, here. And then let's do this, and this. There we go. And with a little bit of time, let's erase this. And then do this. Like it's cracked up. I need the spray paint. So, come on. Spray paint, and then this color. So, red everywhere. This is an amazing fire. Some yellow on the side. Come on. And then the orange at the bottom. Okay, but hopefully I'll draw better next time. But hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. And goodbye.